Hey y'all, setting in our potatoes. This is how we do it. How I do it. Till it, dig them out, and we'll just kick this side in, and we'll leave that side for covering it up. So I'll do that real quick and get back at you. We got the berm to rake over as they start popping up. We'll show you guys what we get. Time for another row. I think we had red and white. That's what the boss bought. But I dig a trench, I pull everything up to the side, then I plant the potatoes in, cover them up, then we can just scoop the dirt over as the potatoes grow. You can't make the potato patch out too well.
So this is the row of the red potatoes. I'll just show you really quick. I let them die off because we weren't sure if pulling them up would bring anything else up, and we didn't want to pick them right away because we had nowhere to store them. I don't have my gloves, but I personally love to dig and unearth the stuff myself. Sometimes you need your shovel. You just got to be really careful because I don't like chipping it, but I might have gotten the ones from that plant when I dug up the last one. Oh, there's some. There's one. There's like another little one. Okay, I'll dig up one more in this row to show you, and then when I am done with this one, I'll show you where our gold potatoes are, Yukon Golds. There's one already. Another one. You only get so far with your hands. Another one. Oh, feel another one. One more there. Nice one there. And these reds are usually always so sweet. I personally love them. You don't have to add much anything for flavor wise to them. So that's a pretty good harvest right there on that. There's another one. Another one. Another one. Diablo lining in the background. This one's probably from this one plant next to it, but we'll grab that because we can see it. And that's about it for that little area right there, besides that tiny couple little ones. Oh, there's that. So that's just 1 to 2 plants. They we spaced them so far apart, so they all pretty much grew up, so they're together pretty good, but we got a pretty good yield out of them. So there's that one. All right, this is where our Yukon Gold bed is. And I'm just going to, look at that. Pull it out and immediately one comes up. This one's trying to grow from a new one. I think that's a new one. I like to do this just because some of them grow pretty close to the top. So if I don't have to dig too much for them, or dig as hard. Like, look at that. This nice baked potato there. Another nice sized one. It's even bigger. A little bit. See one. A little one. I actually know a few people that like those tiny little ones because they like to just boil them up and put them in butter. Another good one. Let's see this one here. I'll go to the other side. I dig from both sides because I don't want to put my shovel in right in the middle where there could still be some and cut one in half. It still happens every now and then, but this way helps me not do that as much. Look at that. There's another nice one. Another one. It's pretty soft. See. And that's it for those. So, not too bad of a harvest. They're a little bit, most of them are a little bit bigger than the red ones. So it's pretty good. And when I'm done with that, I'll show you all the potatoes that I got when I'm done. Okay, here is the final result. Red and gold potatoes. There's probably about the same amount because this box here is bigger, but got some good sized ones in there. Some decent reds. It's nice, got some decent sized red ones, good for baking, as well as these guys. There's another pretty bigger one. So that's both rows. I'll probably kind of dig around a little bit more in the next day or two just to make sure I didn't miss any, because that will happen, but that's okay. But that's it. Thanks.